this video, I'm going to show you how to minify the CSS and JavaScript in WordPress. Now, this can be really useful to go and improve the page speed of your website. So all we need to do is come over to the WordPress dashboard and click on plugins from the left-hand side. Now click on add plugin in the top left-hand side. And then we're going to scroll down and click on this search box here. Now you need to go and search for a plugin called Auto-P-Tomize. So go and type that in exactly as you see it here. And this top one here is the one that we need to download. So go and press the install button next to this. You can then press activate. Now once you've done that, you can scroll down your list of plugins and click on settings next to this one. And now if you scroll down, we have the option to minify all of these different codes. So the first one you have is JavaScript code. Make sure to check this to go and minify it. You can also do the same for your CSS code, and you can also do the same for the HTML code as well. And if you also want to minify the inline JavaScript and the CSS code, then check the box next to enable this, and then we can just scroll down to the bottom and click on save changes and empty cache. You'll then just need to head over to your website and make sure it's working correctly. Sometimes it can cause some styling issues on your website, and if that's the case, you can just go and deactivate each of the settings one by one to try and rule out which one is causing the issue. So that's it guys, let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.